Steve Weiland, an enterprise architect with a focus on bringing people, processes, and technologies together. Hi, I'm Steve Weiland, a self-proclaimed guru of IT stuff. Today, I want to talk to you about my opinion on confusing or misleading IT stuff. Specifically, DevOps versus ITT. The term DevOps was originally invented to give a name to a group of software products designated to automate the communication, cooperation, and workflow between the development and operations components of IT. Now, in recent years, we've been seeing that scope broaden to include more IT components. So I think the term DevOps is outdated, if not misleading. Let me tell you why. I'm not going to talk about the benefits of DevOps. I think we all can agree that it's a good thing. However, I also think that we need to provide for and address the automation of all of IT, not just development and operations. To me, the power of DevOps is not in the myriad of products available with which to implement this automation, but in the workflow you can design to enable the teamwork between development and operations. The terms often used for that are toolchain and pipeline. And that means that the tools have to integrate with one another to be of value. It's a daunting task because there are literally hundreds of tools to choose from. But this is great. We can pick and choose the tools from this list to integrate into our own tailor-made tool chains. Imagine what you could do with a list of tools that encompasses all of IT. Wouldn't that be cool? So if we expand the scope of this automation to include all of IT, then our tool chains can truly turn the entire IT organization into an agile one. This way, we can eliminate the disparate work streams of all of the IT components, not just two of them. A lot of software tools do exist to support the parts of an IT organization that are not directly associated with development and operations. For example, ServiceNow, Xmatters, Slack, and StatusPage. However, not much attention has been paid to integrate them into tool chains so that they too can have their workflows coordinated with those of the rest of IT. In fact, I think that every IT shop should create an ITT team that focuses on the creation, integration, and maintenance of tool chains for all of IT. Just like enterprise architecture teams focus on the architecture of the entire enterprise, the ITT team should focus on the workflow architecture of the entire IT organization. It should focus on the interoperability of all parts of the IT organization. In a nutshell, I wholeheartedly support the concept of DevOps. I also support the creation of tool chains with which to automate the workflows between development and operations. But I also think that the concept needs to be expanded to include the automation of all components of IT. Hence, I would like to call it Technology for the Automation of IT, or ITT. So an enterprise architecture team focuses on the architecture and workflows of the entire enterprise. So if ITT provides the tools with which to create workflows for IT, then an ITT team focuses on the architecture and workflows for the entire IT organization. And that's my opinion. I could be wrong. Thank you so very much for watching. Is there some confusing or misleading IT stuff for which you would like to see me express an opinion? Do you have an opinion about some confusing or misleading IT stuff that you would like to see me turn into a video? Please send your suggestions to steve@it-stuff.guru or post them in the comments below. Thanks again. Steve Weiland, an enterprise architect with a focus on bringing people, processes, and technologies together.